Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Adam with ND72. So, I know I haven't had a video out in a few weeks. I get that. I've been dealing with a lot of like home stuff and work stuff and a little bit of car stuff. I just haven't had the time for it because, as most of you guys know, I do have another job that I do full time and all that stuff, that's neither here nor there. But we are going to try to make this channel a lot more uniform. So tell me if you like it or not. What we are going to start doing is every Saturday, I'm going to be posting a video. Every Saturday, no matter what, you guys are going to get at least one ND72 video. So throw in the comments down below if that's a good day, if that's a bad day, maybe Friday's better, maybe Thursday's better. But I'm just going to shoot for Saturday that I'm going to post out a video. Now, that doesn't mean that throughout the week on like a random Wednesday, random Tuesday, I might throw like a 10-minute video or a 3-minute video or a 2-minute video out there. But I'm going to try to always have a video out on Saturday. So I'm going to see if that helps my views, if that brings more people to the channel. That way you could just be like, oh, every Saturday I know to check the ND72's channel, and I go watch maybe one you missed throughout the week, but you can always get a new one on Saturday. So that's what we're going to be trying. So, now to this video. This video is going to be about the death cart. So as long as you guys know, I have my death cart over here, which is a Slk320 that I took the doors off, took the roof off, took bumpers off, and then we slapped a Slk320 supercharger on it. So this is basically a supercharged, high compression, 10-to-1, kind of high compression, Mercedes, all right? It's stock boost, stock everything else. I mean, it's got exhaust and intake, but that's it, and a tune from VTEC. That's it. So this video, we're going to take my buddy out for a nice little ride along. Now, a little update. He hasn't been in this car since it was nitrous. So the previous kind of build on this car was an Slk320 with a 100 to 150 shot of nitrous. That thing ran for about 4 years. When everyone said it would blow up, I could not get the motor to blow up. We did 150 shot like a boatload of times. So he hasn't been in the car since then. So now he's going to actually feel the power of the supercharger setup and see how it is. We're going to get his reaction. It's kind of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Is like kind of a fun little zoomy video. And we're going to see what happens. And little spoiler alert, it didn't go perfectly well. But I'm going to show you all that. But let's get to the video.
As good as I'm gonna get.
Alright, so we're out here, we're taking a nice little test drive. We're gonna show my friend Berto what the death cart's all about. We'll try to do a nice little fun pull.
Cool new switches.
Yes, thank you. We're here in Mexico.
It's hot out in Mexico.
Yes, it is.
Forgot the sunscreen.
Yes.
Chihuahua barking.
Thank you. You ready?
Here we go.
At this moment, Berto is regretting putting his life in the hands of ND72 and the death cart.
Oh, potatoes and Jesus! So much quicker since last time.
Does the car feel fast, buddy?
It feels so much faster since the last time I've been in this thing.
Was it a little sketchy?
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff in my face.
So that was me rolling into it and going slow and trying to feather it. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but we spun aggressively. We'll go do another pull.
I think it broke my neck. Yeah, this thing is so much faster than last time.
You think?
Yeah, since like last time I rode it.
All right. Something just broke.
What'd you do? You promised me a fun ride.
Alright. So we're gonna pull in because it sounds weird. That sounds like the exhaust just broke off. I don't know. Alright, let's pull in a look. Right? Like
something, yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know. Can't tell.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Oh, you got your key still, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me back up. Get out of their way. move your car?
Gotta stop moving.
I know. Alright, so we limped the car back home. I didn't shut it off, I didn't do nothing. It sounds like we have a misfire. That first pull was really good. I wish I would have hit the data logger on it. But then that second one, like towards the end of the first pull, it felt weird. And the second one, definitely have some issues. So we got our scanner, we're gonna check it really quick. Because as you hear, it sounds bad. Go like get a view coming this way. Hit stop and leave it, yeah. Yeah, it sounds misfiring, so we got 4 codes. I think some of them are kind of like not to worry about, like secondary air pump, heater, 5 misfire. Oh, did you see it or I just redo it too much?
I don't think the car pulled that up there.
Cylinder 5 misfire detected. So we got a spot, so we're gonna go look at 5 really quick. Maybe something unplugged. Alright, so cylinder 5 is right here. So I'm checking the plug, I didn't see anything crazy. So we're gonna pull coil and actual spark plugs out and just replace them and take it, because when I shut the car off, it goes fine. It looks like it's after I did 1 or 2 pulls, it just craps out. So it's either coil or plug, but we're gonna rip it off and kind of examine. Okay, you know how sometimes you'll be working on a car, you'll be getting it all done, and then it just breaks. And then it breaks again. That's what I'm dealing with my little death card issue here. Now, I have a cylinder 5 misfire. I'm going to show you what I found, because it's always good. You know when you find something, you're just like, I don't know, you want to throw plugs at it, you want to throw wires at it, you want to throw coils, you just keep throwing stuff, and you're pulling your hair out. Then you get times where it's an effing smoking gun. Come and look what I just found.
Yeah, we'll do it there.
The spark plug wire came right out. So I'm going to do 2 spark plug wires, and that one slid right out. Oh yeah, you just see, like, look it.
Can you take the rest of the plug out? Or
Oh yeah, I'm going to have to pull that out. So we're going to pull plug wires. The coil looks to be okay. It's got 1 crack there. But I'm going to do plugs, wires. I think I got spare sets. Well, we're going to have to go pick up some plugs and get this bad girl right back out. Alright, so we have the plugs out. They do got a little bit of signing of a rust and corrosion, but they don't look bad. The gapping doesn't look too bad, but I'm just going to get 2 new ones. And then we're going to do wires and coils. I'm 99% sure it was the coil, but I just want to do this for peace of mind. So I'm going to make sure O'Reilly's has these. These are 1-step Kohler plugs for this motor, and we're going to throw them in. Alright, so we just got back from O'Reilly's. We got 2 new spark plugs. We're going to throw these bad girls in. Then I'm going to pull coils and wires off one of my spare motors and go test drive this bad girl. Alright, so we have the 2 new spark plugs in there. A coil that is a good coil from a different car, and 2 spark plug wires from a different car. We're going to plug it in, go for a pull, because this one misfired immediately last time. Let's go see. Alright, so we got the new coil, wire, and plugs in. We're going to go for a nice test drive here in Mexico. They're saying hi, I like the car. You saw that?
Did he wave and win?
Yeah, more or less. It was more like this. Some bumps we hit. Are those bugs on the windshield, or is it starting to rain?
I'm gonna go with bugs. I don't feel water yet.
Yeah, right? But I just see like all that. Alright, the car feels pretty good. It's definitely fixed. We're gonna go cruise it around for a little bit more, and I'm gonna call it pretty good. Hope you guys liked the video. This was a nice little fun one. We have a lot more stuff coming up to this car. And yes, I know we had a little bit of a breakdown, but we did fix it with, most likely it was just the wires. But soon on my little death cart, we are going to be doing some plugs, some wires, some coils, and adding a little bit more fuel. Now the fuel won't add power, but it's going to make this bad girl a lot safer. We got some bigger injectors, a bigger fuel pump coming, so stay tuned to those videos. So as I said before, guys, we're going to try to put a video out every Saturday. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, throw a comment down, throw a like, watch the ads. It does help out. And if you want to see me do anything else crazy with this death cart, we will. On the upcoming death cart stuff, we are going to be trying to take this to the dyno, take it to Mexico, and to be testing out my cooling system, because everyone says the rear mounted stuff is just not working. So we'll be doing all that. before we add power to this bad girl, because I want to get a baseline on it. Once we do the dyno, once we do the Mexico pools and all the other stuff, I will be adding a lot more power. Add some boost, add some manifolds, do some fun, cool stuff, and then a lot of nitrous. Well, not a lot, probably 100 shot to make this bad girl sing and try to make it really quick. The goal of this car is hopefully to get a low 11-second car. I'm hoping just how it is, it'll do a high 12. I'm expecting like a 12.9 maybe, a 12.8 on the street. So we'll see about that, but hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe, tell your friends. Remember, every Saturday I'll be posting a video, and I'll catch you later.
Come on.
Oh, the shark ate the goldfish.